Hello and welcome to the Big Wobble. It's the first week of October. The weather turned hostile last week with reports of floods, storms, tornadoes and devastating winds. South Carolina had the highest rainfall in 1,000 years. 10 people lost their lives, with others missing, and 13 inches of rain fell in just 3 days. Five people were killed and more than 200 injured as rare tornadoes ravaged parts of China on Sunday. Meanwhile, an American cargo ship went missing with 33 crew on board Sunday in the middle of Hurricane Joaquin near the Bahamas. They have not been found. And 19 people are thought to have died following torrential rain in the French Alps Maritimes region. Many people were killed trying to rescue their cars. And 200 dead and hundreds more missing after a landslide in Guatemala City after heavy rain, waterlogged earth and debris tore through villages. Several newborn babies were killed and children as well. The worst winds in 20 years devastated New Zealand this week, with thousands of homes left without power. And 26 dead from lightning and thunderstorms across Maharashtra in India this week. And Japan is becoming punch drunk as it awaits devastation as the season's 23rd typhoon bears down on Hokkaido. And now the rest of this week's news. Serengeti mystery. As thousands of wildebeest found dead in a scene of carnage, experts are baffled as to what caused the deaths. And now endangered fur seals are the latest species dying on the Californian coast. They can now be counted along with whales, walrus, dolphins, birds, fish, mussels and starfish as victims of an ecosystem stress disorder, or could it be something even more sinister? September brings an impressive 22 major quakes, along with the biggest of the year, a magnitude 8.3 in Chile, seen on the video. It was the most major quakes in 1 month since April 2014. Which coincidentally was the first month of the 4 blood moons, last month being the last. Yet more marine life carnage. Excuse me. Tons of dead fish wash up on Mexican beaches because of red tide algae. And it shows no sign of stopping anytime soon. Millions of fish washed ashore on Irish Beach in strange phenomenon. The discovery was made by local people last week. The amount of fish is astonishing, and the phenomenon has never been seen on the island. A magnitude 6.0 in Chile is the first major quake of October. It's the 15th major quake to hit Chile in 2 weeks. It's also the 113th major quake of this year. Here's a koala bear chilling out on the cool tiles. An early spring heatwave is the hottest ever in Melbourne and the hottest in 70 years for Adelaide, as temperatures hit 40 degrees centigrade. It's a very early start for the Aussies this year. It's not just the marine life and birds dying in California. The mega drought is bringing California to its knees, with an estimated 12 million trees dead or dying in the southern Sierras due to severe drought and beetle infestations. Guatemala's Colossus ejects its 8th eruption of the year, expelling gases and ash 5 kilometers into the sky. If you like this music, it's called Laudate Dominum. It's by Mozart and it's free to download. I like it. I'm not sure if it goes with the video though, so please let me know. Well, that's it again for another week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next week. Bye bye.